What's up, everyone? Just doing another recap of the trades that I've been trading, the swing trades, the option swing trading. Um, it looks like we're at 31, so it looks like one of them made money. It looks like that one was Nvidia. Nvidia looks like had an earnings. Maybe they made decent. So for the entire day, I'm up 1,300 on Nvidia alone. Um, I guess I was down 200 or something, or I was down quite a bit on Nvidia, and then it bounced back up. Let's see. Let's go ahead and pull up Nvidia. Which one is it? Disney. Nvidia. There we go. So that's Nvidia. I don't want to push my luck because I did buy it at 1650, 1665, and now it's at 1752. So it's gone up. I think I will be selling. Let me see if I can get out here. All right. So we closed Nvidia out since it did give us that 1358. Disney, I'm still down 240. I'm sorry, 270. Well, 290. And then Spy, I'm down 216 overall. Let's look what Spy is doing. Uh, All right. So remember how I said yesterday that I really should have waited for this? I mean, yeah, I basically called it. So you really want to wait for the bounce. I should have bought it here this morning if I was trading, like I'm supposed to be. I would have waited for the bounce, jumped in, rode the entire way up. Instead, I bought it here yesterday, somewhere around this price level. Let's go take a look at SPY now. What did I buy? Calls or puts? To be honest with you, I don't even remember. Let's figure it out. SPY put. So I bought a put. So that is terrible. So SPY was actually doing really good yesterday. Let's go to puts. There we go. Yeah. So far it's not bad. It's only 5 contracts, so it's not gonna be like a big difference. Um, so I bought SPY at 990. It is at 1008, so barely anything. Part of me wants to get out now because it's at a profit and it's going up from here. It's bounced up, so it's going up. So I might as well take. I mean, if I would have taken, if I actually would, I thought I bought calls, but I actually bought puts. If I would have taken this out later that same day, it probably would have been the best move, but I didn't. So I'm gonna see if I can get out here soon. Looks like SPY's going up a little bit more. This part is the boring part. Um, let's pull out. All right, closed SPY. So the only thing I have open left is Disney. Let's take a look at Disney here. Oops. Disney actually. What was that? Someone open. This looks like a lot. What do you mean? Like it looks complicated? It's not really complicated. You see this triangle here. It's been pushing, kind of wedging in here. This part scares me because it could drop, it could go up. To be honest with you, I don't know. Um, it looks like it may. I don't know what's gonna happen here. Today is Wednesday, right? Yeah, today's Wednesday. Okay, so I got a couple days. So Disney. So far 1,500. not what I thought. I really thought I was gonna get a lot more from Disney and all that. Disney, I'm actually losing about 300 bucks, so it should be 1800 if it's break even. Of course, if I would have made money, it would have been better, but whatever. Um, so let's see. Disney, I think was no, that's Nvidia. Look at the exit. Started going down right at. I love my exits, man. All right, so we're down on Disney. However, let's see what SPY. Hmm. So SPY is here. The question is, do we gamble? The move kind of happened already. Do we gamble and do we buy calls? That's the real question. And let's go look at SPY March. Actually, let me go here. Put this right here. Trade. So calls. I want to look at a strike that has lots of volume. Look at my delta, it's 50 cents. That's good. And the theta, the time decay, it's not that high. So I kind of want to do this one. So let's go ahead and send this to purple. There we go. I might buy some calls on SPY. I don't think it's ready yet on the 5 minute. It still looks like it's got a lot of room to drop. Let's go punch the horse again. Yeah. um, it's got a lot of room to drop. On the 1 minute, however, it may want to go up. Let me see what this looks like again. I mean, it's a gamble. It's bouncing off the support, right? I mean, it's bouncing off of this support, which was a previous resistance. Now it's using it as a support. It's bouncing up from here. We could expect an edge. What the hell happened? An educated guess is that something along this line, right? That's just an educated guess. The question is, do I wait for the best entry or do I jump in it now? Let's do 5 contracts on SPY. Not getting filled. There we go. So let's see what happens. 5 calls, by the way. These are 5 calls on SPY. So now I got 5 calls right here. I had puts. I sold. Made 37 bucks for the day, but 200 and something I think for the entire trade. And then calls today, so far up 25 bucks. Still down on Disney. Disney's looking like a bad trade. Um, it's foolish of me to have gone into Disney in anticipation of a break. And by the way, Disney, I think I did calls. And the only reason I'm doing calls in Disney, I honestly I didn't even look at numbers. A more managed play or a better play would have been if I would have done my research, seen how sales have been going on. Um, the sales have been going on as far as the Disney Plus stream or whatever it's called, the streaming service that Disney has. Done some research on that. That would have been more of an educated type trade. This trade was just pre. It was done sometime here, uh, pre anything really. I thought maybe crap. Sorry, I thought maybe it would reach that little area, um, and break out in anticipation, but of this, by the way. But clearly, this is a strong resistance here. So this might be a bad trade. I'm gonna hang on to it, but I mean, it's yeah. You see how it's making lower highs? This is not even really a line anymore, almost, right? So what is it gonna do here? Is it gonna keep dropping down, or is it gonna just shoot up? Um, I'm the type of person. I'm more conservative when it comes to trading, so I would wait for it to break out in either directions and then trade it, than to buy before the breakout and hope that I get it right. So it's like a 50-50 chance. I don't like that. But yeah. All right, I think that's all I have so far. Big trade was just the Nvidia, which recovered. Basically, that's all it really did. It recovered. I was up, I think, 1400 yesterday. I'm up 1500. I still have this loss that I'm holding on Disney. I'm hoping that the breakout in either way, well, I'm hoping that the breakout is on the top side and that it actually goes my favor. If it starts dropping this way, I'm gonna be screwed because I'm not gonna watch the market anymore, and it's basically gonna eat away at the profits. But I do have a $1,500 cushion to play with. Um, Anyhow, that's it for today. It's gonna be a short video. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Again, I do give away money. I actually give away money to Don Tran, a bunch of subs and stuff, and I think to some other people. There's a video on my YouTube of me giving away. I think it's like a total of like $1,000 or something like that. Um, Anyhow, but yeah, subscribe. Leave your on the comment section. Leave your name, and if you're a streamer, leave your name on there as well. I'll try to stop by and see if I can donate or drop some subs or something. All right, that's it. Thank y'all so much. Have a good one.